Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox network problems. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox network problems, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone, and here you can know how to fix your problems on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.